Greetings to you all, and I assume that you might say to yourself, if you don't have much time, why giving a preacher the microphone, right? I promise you I will be short. Allow me to thank my dear colleagues, delegates, representatives of thousands of organizations in diaspora, representative of millions of people in Haiti in the diaspora, who have trusted me to represent them as a super delegate and to carry out the word of unity to you. Thank you, guys. This effort is a response to the calling of the international community to find a Haitian-led solution to the crisis. And it's very important to the international community, to the world, to acknowledge and recognize we, as Haitian, has decided to move our country forward with democracy. I am profoundly grateful for those of you who have dedicated your time, especially the Lieutenant General, Russell Honore, for your Yes! It is said, I won't go to the entire process to explain and to express how grateful I am for my colleagues and friends who have been working deliberately and urgently to find a resolution. We are working on that resolution that will be known in the days to come. But we have come to the conclusion to select a name. We have nominated Mr. Fridjan as president of Haiti and we have selected a lady, very beautiful and proudly, I'm profoundly grateful. I'm very proud of you guys, and we're gonna have to move Haiti forward. So, on behalf of the diaspora, which have been elected at some point, like my colleagues, we gonna be part of this process of bringing Haiti back in this faith. Yes! Vive Haiti! Vive Haiti! Vive Haiti! Vive Haiti! Vive Haiti! Also, I will go ahead and that's what makes us a diaspora, because we have the ability to express ourselves in different languages. For those of you in the diaspora who doesn't speak English, I will explain in a short sentence the transparency of the process of selecting the presidents. Nous connaissons que c'est un processus qui est très difficile. Ni moi-même, ni aucun délégué que vous présentez qui a une chance pour voter pour Fridjan, pas reconnaître Fridjan. Non. Et Fridjan n'a jamais demandé personne pour que nous votions pour lui. Mais c'est en fonction de compréhension de problèmes pays. C'est compréhension de capacité que lui-même, que le Canadien, et l'urgence qui fait que unanimement nous votons pour lui. Ce n'est pas tes premiers choix, pas. Mais nous finissons par convaincre que dans l'unité, nous pouvons avancer en pile bagaille. Yes. Je veux ça clair pour tout le monde que ce n'est pas personne qui, ni Myriam, ni Madame Myriam Fétière, ni Monsieur Fridjan, ce n'est pas eux-mêmes qui demandé pour personne voter, mais c'est sous conscience nous que nous avons besoin de monde compétent, digne, honnête, capable pour mener le pays. It was not requested by our nominees. They never made any campaign among us. We do choose them based on the background. So it's simple as that, and we think they will serve the best interest of Haiti. Yes! Encore une fois, as promised, des qu'à faire toute minute la parler. Mais je vous maintenant que ma kembe ça short. And for those of you all, the beautiful lady in here, my friend, our superstar, Kinkino, you always hiding.
Oh my
God! Toute délégation, et je dis pas que, guys, thank you. Et René, our Haitian.
Yes!
René. So, we are halfway of the process. We're gonna work to make sure that we are working well, requesting at this point the attention of the international community, our friends, to help support democracy in Haiti and to make sure that we have the resources needed to address every single aspect of the problem that Haitian people are facing right now.